If you're looking for a road trip experience that combines the rugged power of a truck with the comfort of a luxury home, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome delivers exactly that. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle on wheels. Whether you're a full-time traveler, an overland enthusiast, or someone who loves weekend getaways in comfort, this motorhome is designed to be your perfect travel companion. The first thing that grabs your attention is its sheer presence. Built on the legendary Kenworth T680 chassis, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome brings the look and feel of a long-haul rig but transforms it into a luxury residence. The exterior is aerodynamic, with integrated LED lighting, a streamlined grille, and large panoramic windows that give it a modern yet robust appearance. This isn't your average RV, it's a rolling mansion that commands respect on the road. Under the hood, you're getting some serious power. The motorhome is equipped with a PACCAR MX-13 engine, delivering up to 510 horsepower and 1,850 pound-feet of torque. That means whether you're climbing steep mountain passes or cruising flat highways with a full load, this machine handles it all with ease. Coupled with an automated 12-speed transmission, the driving experience is surprisingly smooth and effortless for such a large vehicle. Performance-wise, the Kenworth Motorhome is built for endurance. With advanced air ride suspension, stability control systems, and active braking assistance, it offers a level of safety and comfort that's rare in motorhomes. It's designed for long journeys, and everything about it, from the engine to the tires, is tailored for durability and reliability. The fuel tanks hold up to 200 gallons combined, giving it an exceptional range between fill-ups. Now let's talk about what makes this motorhome feel like home. Step inside, and you're greeted by a spacious, intelligently designed living area. The interior feels like a high-end apartment, thanks to premium materials, wood finishes, soft close cabinetry, and high-end leather seating. LED mood lighting lines the ceiling, and large windows flood the space with natural light during the day. The layout includes a full kitchen with a residential-size fridge, convection microwave, induction cooktop, and solid surface countertops. There's even a dishwasher, which is a rare feature in most RVs. The dinette area comfortably seats 4, and the table can convert for extra sleeping space if needed. Moving further in, you'll find a luxury bathroom complete with a rainfall shower, porcelain toilet, and a washer-dryer combo unit. This isn't just about convenience, it's about bringing your home's creature comforts with you on the road. There's also plenty of storage, with cleverly hidden compartments and overhead bins throughout the cabin. The bedroom is perhaps the most surprising part. It includes a king-size bed with a memory foam mattress, overhead skylights, and a 40-inch smart TV. The room is climate-controlled separately from the rest of the cabin, and blackout shades make it perfect for restful sleep, even during daylight hours. In terms of tech, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome is fully loaded. It features a digital dashboard with an integrated infotainment system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, satellite navigation, and a 360-degree camera system that makes parking and maneuvering a breeze. There's also Wi-Fi connectivity throughout the vehicle, smart home-style control panels, and solar panels on the roof that supplement power for onboard electronics. Another standout feature is its climate resilience. The motorhome is fully insulated for 4-season travel. Heated tanks and pipes ensure nothing freezes in winter, while dual rooftop air conditioning units keep the interior cool during hot summer days. This means you can explore deserts, mountains, and everything in between without sacrificing comfort. On the outside, you'll find a powered awning with integrated lighting, outdoor speakers, and even an external kitchen setup with a sink, grill, and small refrigerator, perfect for those sunset cookouts. Some models even come with slide-outs that expand the living space when parked, creating more room inside without compromising drivability. Safety is another area where the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome shines. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and collision mitigation systems. These features aren't just nice to have, they're essential when piloting a vehicle of this size, especially on long trips across varied terrains. But what truly sets this motorhome apart is its customization potential. Buyers can choose from a variety of floor plans, interior finishes, and tech packages. Whether you want a dedicated office space, bunk beds for kids, or a rear garage for toys like ATVs or motorcycles, there's a layout that fits your needs. The 2026 Kenworth Motorhome isn't just about traveling, it's about doing it in style, power, and comfort. It's perfect for retirees embracing life on the road, professionals who work remotely, or families looking to turn every weekend into an adventure. It combines the best elements of commercial-grade trucking with luxury RV living, offering a unique solution for those who refuse to compromise between rugged capability and refined comfort. In a market flooded with options, the Kenworth Motorhome stands out because it doesn't try to be everything for everyone. It focuses on being the best at what it is: a high-end, go-anywhere, live-anywhere machine. If you're ready to upgrade your road life with something truly premium and built to last, this motorhome deserves your full attention.